Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome back to another fresher episode of Mr. Gamer channel, and today we are having a special unboxing. Yes, we are having the Infinix Note 7, the greatest and the most important flagship in Infinix company. We are having Infinix Note 7, which has been launched in Pakistan 1 month ago. So finally we are having this unboxing on our channel. So make sure you stay in the video, and we will be doing a review of this device soon. So in Pakistan, two variants have been launched, the one with the 6 gigabytes of RAM and the one with 4 gigabytes of RAM. So let's don't waste any time and let's start the unboxing. So guys, let me give you an overview of the box. The right side says the Note 7, and the Note 7 on the left side of the box. This side contains some details of IMEI and the Infinix branding on the top. So let's see the main configuration: 120 gigabytes of storage, 6 gigabytes of RAM, G70 Helio processors, which is a gaming processor too, and connectivity of 4G connectivity is also supportable. 5000 milliamperes of big battery, 6.95 inches of Infinity O display. It has also a punch hole display, 720p resolution, 48 megapixel of camera. So guys, without further ado, let's start the unboxing. Let me take my unboxing knife and peel the plastic off. So guys, finally I've cut the plastic off. Let's open the box and see what's inside. Yeah, that's a very big display. So this is the Infinix Note 7, 6.95 inches display, G70 Helio processors, 48 megapixel of camera, 1080p video recording. So let me take the phone out of the box, put this at the side, and let's see what's inside the box. Let's see the accessories. So first of all, we get a fast charger, 18-watt fast charger, Infinix branding. This is the 18-watt fast charger, which is very good in Android phones. You can see this, and it comes with a micro USB cable. It doesn't come with headphones, so that's a bummer, but let's see what's inside this flat. We get a SIM ejector tool. Let's open this off. X Club branding. Let's put this paper at the side, and it comes with a screen protector, plastic screen protector, which is a very good thing from Infinix. And it also comes with a clear jelly case, which is also made up of good quality. It has a very big camera cutout because it has 4 quad cameras. So let's peel the plastic off and just look at the design. It has a punch hole display, very big display. On the back side, it contains the 4 quad cameras, quad LED flash. This camera is having a 48 megapixel of resolution. It does a process, and this is a fingerprint scanner, volume rockers. The fingerprint scanner also acts as a power button, and the SIM eject tool, micro USB and headphone jack, and dual stereo speakers. It has also a big, small little punch hole display. So let's power this on. Infinix. It has also the latest and the greatest Android 10. So that's a good thing with the latest version of XOS, which is the Infinix custom UI. So this was the unboxing video of the Infinix Note 7. Make sure you get subscribed and press the bell icon. uh, Soon we will also upload a new video which will have which we will be giving the in-depth review of this device. We will also test PUBG. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe. Stay safe.